Hello, everyone, and this is ABLEfid, a Web3 project designed to transform how people with disabilities and their fiduciaries manage money. It addresses a critical problem with current Social Security and Medicaid rules, while unlocking new opportunities through stablecoins and decentralized finance. So the problem, that our project revolves around Social Security and ABLE accounts, which ABLE accounts are a specific type of banking account that utilizes fiduciaries to help people with disabilities receiving SSI and SSDI. Because there are asset limits for people receiving Social Security, such as $2,000 resource cap, and income limits, which are around $1,600 a month, which is not enough to live on, not to mention pay rent. So a ABLE account, the goal of it is to, when it was designed, was to create a way to protect for people to be able to save, people with disabilities and receiving social security benefits to save, while without affecting their benefits. But the yield on the savings account in New York, for example, is 0% on a savings account, and this is with a fiduciary. A fiduciary is someone who legally has to make the best financial decision for someone. That obviously isn't happening with a 0% return yield on a savings account. But Web3 and stablecoins can fix that. And our project revolves around Web3, taking a different approach to traditional DeFi and lending protocols, and instead taking it to help people. So yeah, exceeding $2,000 in benefits across for anyone receiving Social Security SSI benefits or SSDI benefits, they can risk losing their benefits as a whole. This discourages saving, limits independence, and locks people into poverty. Fiduciaries, guardians, and family members often struggle to manage funds while staying compliant. And that's what our project really comes down to, is compliance. We need more people in DC to be talking about Social Security and the issues that are affecting it, and ways that we can use this technology to help people. We have the technology with DeFi. We just have to rethink the way that we're using it. So, what is an ABLE account? Congress created ABLE accounts as a solution. They allow people with disabilities to save up to $100,000 without losing benefits, while funds can be used for qualified disability expenses. So, but there's a problem. There are ABLE accounts that earn 0% interest in APR. So we can fix that using DeFi and stablecoins. So we are ABLEfid, a combination of ABLE and fiduciary. So this is where ABLEfid comes in. ABLEfid connects traditional fiduciary responsibilities with Web3 technology. Funds are stored in stablecoins like USDC, PayPal USD, and others. Pegged to the US dollar for stability, smart contracts that can enforce SSA and Medicaid rules automatically, pausing transfers or alerts if funds approach asset limits. Fiduciaries can approve or deny spending requests, keeping oversight simple. And unlike traditional accounts, stablecoins can be safely deposited into low-risk yield protocols, turning a stagnant 0% APR into real growth for beneficiaries. For fiduciaries, ABLEfid provides peace of mind. Manage multiple beneficiaries from a single dashboard. Export audit-ready reports for Social Security and Medicaid compliance. And use transparent blockchain-based tracking to prove exactly how funds were used. So, under the hood, ABLEfid is built with uh, we bleh.